Dust, spills, scrap. For years, this was the way industry removed its waste materials. The work was slow, dusty, inefficient, and costly. Until 1970, when NFE International introduced HiVac, a big vacuum cleaner engineered for even bigger cleanup jobs. Today, more than 1,200 HiVacs are used at industrial sites throughout the world. Foundries, shipyards, cement plants, machine shops, steel mills, and chemical plants. NFE manufactures a full line of more than 20 standard HiVac models, from portable units that one man can tow to giant central vacuum systems, all designed to take care of the toughest cleanup jobs. Even so, nearly half of our vacuums are individually engineered to meet the special requirements of our customers. At North American Rockwell's Columbus, Ohio facility, 2 specially designed HiVacs clean up aluminum and titanium chips around machining operations. A tow vehicle brings the HiVac to the cleanup site. A self-contained internal combustion engine powers the unit. When the collection hopper is full, hydraulic arms lift it several feet for dumping into bins or trucks. How quickly can HiVac clean up your operation? An operator will demonstrate using aluminum, then titanium, and finally steel chips. Each of these materials has different weight, shape, and flowability characteristics affecting the rate at which it can be vacuumed. The operator will use a diesel-powered HiVac model 475 and several hoses with different diameters. The conveying distance will be approximately 25 feet. Although the operation will be shown from a variety of angles, the running time at the top of the screen is accurate. The first pile contains 1 cubic yard of titanium chips. Tightly coiled chips 1 to 3 inches long are mixed with shorter flat chips 1 to 2 inches long. The operator is using a 6-inch diameter pickup hose without a nozzle. HiVac's powerful suction pulls titanium chips into the hose even from several inches away. Cleanup jobs that would take days with brooms and shovels can be completed in a matter of hours with the HiVac, even while machinery is operating. That can mean big savings in overtime costs. Vacuumed materials also can be recycled easily, another dollar-saving feature. And using the HiVac eliminates dusty working conditions because the high-powered vacuum draws the material directly into the hose, then sends it through 3 filtration stages. There's an additional benefit to HiVac's 3-stage filtration system. It lets you pick up wet materials right along with dry. So even if there's coolant mixed in with the chips, it can't hurt the HiVac. The total time of this entire operation was just over a minute. Now the operator has switched to a 4-inch diameter hose with an aluminum nozzle. The smaller diameter hose is lighter and easy to manipulate so that the operator can reach easily into less accessible areas. Compare the results of the 2 tests. Using the 6-inch diameter hose with a HiVac, the titanium chips were picked up at the rate of 27 cubic feet per minute, while the easier-to-handle 4-inch hose provided a pickup rate of 18 cubic feet per minute. Now the HiVac is picking up aluminum chips. While they're similar in density and flowability to the titanium, some of the aluminum chips form tight coils up to 5 inches long. Again, HiVac's 6-inch diameter hose provides the fastest pickup rate. Exerting little effort, the operator pushes the hose into the base of the mounded pile and the chips collapse into it. Easier handling again offsets the lower pickup rate when using the 4-inch hose and nozzle on the aluminum chips. For maximum pickup speed, the operator buries the nozzle in the pile to take advantage of dense phasing, an effect caused by less air and more material being drawn into the system. When cleaning up aluminum chips with a HiVac, the difference between the 6 and 4-inch hose is only 1 cubic foot per minute. Finally, the operator is demonstrating the HiVac on a pile of steel chips using a 4-inch hose with a nozzle. Because of their small size, uniform shape, and heavier weight, steel chips pack more densely than titanium or aluminum. This gives the chips a lower flowability characteristic, and the operator must move the hose right up to the product. Some cutting oil is present in this sample, but it doesn't affect the HYVAC thanks to its exclusive 3-stage filtration system. As expected, HYVAC's pickup results on the heavier, denser steel chips are slower than for aluminum or titanium. Complete specifications on the performance of other size HYVACs, hose diameters, and conveying distances are available from NFE. NFE International, supplying the world with high-powered industrial cleanup tools. Choose one of the more than 20 standard HYVAC models, or have one custom engineered for your plant operation. You'll save money by cutting labor costs, reclaiming materials, and reducing downtime. In fact, most HYVACs pay for themselves in less than 6 months. So whatever your cleanup problem, dust, spills, scrap material, attack it with a HYVAC.
Ultravac, the pioneer of high-quality, reliable vacuum technology that is engineered to save you money. Ultravacs are powerful and versatile. They've stood for dependability since the D.P. Way Corporation developed the first industrial vacuum loader. Ultravacs are sophisticated solutions to large-scale cleanup and recovery operations, providing greater productivity and higher profits. Ultravac serves across the world. Foundries. That's where heavy-duty cleanup jobs are a fact of life. And that's where you'll often find an Ultravac on daily duty. Cleaning up under this mold pouring line used to take many men many hours. Today, it takes one man and one Ultravac to do the entire job. The Ultravac 105 can fit in some really tight places. And since it's self-propelled, it's quick to clean up emergency spills. And it's powerful. A 50 horsepower engine ensures that the Ultravac will pick up anything that will fit through its 4-inch diameter hose. All Ultravacs are equipped with a positive displacement vacuum pump. That means there's almost no loss of vacuum power, even when pulling from remote and inaccessible places. Different models are available. The 115 offers identical vacuuming and dumping capabilities, but is towable rather than self-propelled. Efficiency can be maximized by connecting an Ultravac with a 2-yard self-dumping hopper to take advantage of the economy of constant vacuum. Because of its self-cleaning filter system, an Ultravac never needs to be shut down for filter cleaning while vacuuming. Reverse high-pressure air removes dirt from the filter bags and allows exhaust air to be filtered to less than 1 micron. A third variation of the Ultravac line is the model 125. Towable like the 115, it is quieter and requires simpler maintenance because it is equipped with an electric motor. If you have convenient electrical sources, the quiet, simple, low-cost Ultravac 125 may be the unit best suited for you. D.P. Way prides itself in providing flexible solutions to all kinds of material handling problems. This Ultravac 555 is permanently installed to take care of recurring spills and daily cleanup. Conveniently located tubing outlets allow versatile and frequent use of the vacuum system. Simplicity and minimum maintenance are the strengths of a well-engineered permanent piping system. Here, a centrally located cyclone separator collects sand for reuse. This avoids the expense of waste removal and also saves money by allowing recovery and reuse of the sand. And then there's the Mean Machine. The big, rugged, truck-mounted Ultravac for large and wide-ranging cleanup and recovery operations. How large? Anything that will fit in a 10-inch diameter hose. No other truck on the market today offers that kind of heavy-duty pulling. The Mean Machine is offered in 2 series. The MM series are separate engine drives, while the HS series are PTO units using hydrostatic drive, and both can pull material hundreds of feet from the truck body with ease. The Mean Machine offers up to 6,500 CFM, requiring up to 300 horsepower to drive the vacuum pump. Such remarkable pulling power needs an entirely new design of filtration to ensure that virtually all particles larger than 1 micron are removed from the airstream before it is exhausted. The Mean Machine has up to 96 separate filter bags laid out along both sides of the collector body. This double baghouse design is unique and allows a multi-mode filtration system. Normal dry mode operation uses both filter bags, but if a particular job does not require that filtration capacity, you can use only one side to save power. Or if a filter bag on one side ruptures, you can quickly switch to the other side, eliminating any downtime. Another option is to use one filter bank for pulling hot or dry material, and the other for cold or wet material. Or you can completely bypass the filters and use the linear demister to pull wet material. Think of the heavy-duty housekeeping you can accomplish with this long-lasting beast of burden. It's designed to work around the clock, 7 days a week, with time off only for normal maintenance. And maintenance is minimal. The filters change easily because of the specially designed twist lock filter assemblies. The twist lock feature saves hours of work. Another singular and time-saving feature of the Ultravac Mean Machine. If a standard-equipped Ultravac doesn't fit your needs, we'll modify it. Ultravac engineers price
如果 Ultravac 不适合您的需要，工程师能根据情况解决困难且省钱。
Today, vacuum
今
technology
天
is
真空技术应用普遍，
experience,
经验
innovation,
创新、负责、可靠，使 Ultravac 创下高销售额，使它成为高质量机器。
the most versatile and strongest machines out in the field. Nationwide, world.
在全国、全世界 ，UltraVac 提供了标准的技术。